On my journey home to the Philippines after an amazing trip to Canada, I had a layover in Taiwan and decided to try something I had never tasted before. Mazu Village. Wheel pie. One warm bite was all it took to understand why it's such a favorite. The crispy golden shell and rich, creamy filling made it the perfect snack to enjoy while waiting for my next flight. Sometimes the best travel memories come from the simplest food discoveries. If you ever find yourself passing through Taiwan's airport, don't miss the chance to try this local treat.
Layover kami dito sa Taiwan, tapos may nakita akong mahaba pila dito sa airport na parang food stall. It's named Mazu. So try natin, parang masarap dito. Oh, ito na yung sikat nila. Oh, sarap. Ito yung custard nila. Custard. They have dito sa Taiwan airport. Samahan mo ng taro na milk tea na may boba, sarap.